Okay guys, just a very quick one. I've got this little kid's scooter here. It is an ISINWHEEL scooter, 5 amp hour, 6S battery. There's some more specs and stuff down there in case you're interested. Doesn't work. Found the problem. I've got the battery pack out. It's this tiny little thing. It sits in this part of the frame. You've got to peel off the bit that you stand on. It's like a rubbery thing. The pack just lifts out of here. It's in this tiny little tray. There's the rubber thing that you've got to peel off. It's that thing there. There's the pack itself. Well, the shrink wrap. It's got 6 21700 cells in it. I was thinking I'd have to get 6 cells and redo it. It's not very well made. They're all a bit close together. There's no insulation between any of the cells. The nickel strip doesn't fit. They've used 18650 nickel strip. Look, it doesn't really fit, which is not great, but here we are. And it doesn't work. And I found, look, the nickel has snapped. It's this pathetic, pissy, thin nickel. But yeah, solvable. I'll solder that back on. I bet it works. Alright, there we go. I've reinforced all those middle ones because they're very thin. These ones are a bit thicker and probably have a chance of staying in existence. But yeah, that's not flapping about anymore. Those middle cells were falling out the bottom originally. And we'll try it in the scooter. Well, would you look at that? It works. It's got this little battery indicator there, half charged. You press this button to turn it on. That's the charge port. And to power it up, you press this go button. That one's the brake. That's the go. So let's see if I can do this at the same time. You push the go like that, and then you spin the wheel. He says, "Oh." Or is that the stop? No, that's definitely the brake. Well, anyway, it turns on. I'm sure it does work. You don't need to watch me kick a scooter for ages, but it definitely worked before. That's annoying. I got it going. There you go. Whee! Hopefully that helps someone out. If it does, like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Bye!